Aortic arch, descending aorta, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, and then over here, left subclavian artery. Okay, can everybody see this sulcus right here, how it's coming down? This is on the anterior part of the heart, and it's between the two ventricles. So we'll call this the anterior interventricular sulcus. Can you see the angle that it takes right here? It points to the left, right? Can you see that the pulmonary trunk follows that same angle? We're going to use that when we dissect our sheet heart. Here's the angle of the anterior ventricular septum, sulcus, and this right here is the angle of the pulmonary trunk. If I turn this around, I see another sulcus down the back between the two ventricles. But can you see where this one goes straight up and down? That's called the posterior interventricular sulcus. Okay? And then, so this right here, if this is the pulmonary trunk, then this must be the left pulmonary artery. And this one over here must be the right pulmonary artery. And what are these red blood vessels right here?
Pulmonary veins.
Those are what side is this over here? Left pulmonary vein, and over here?
Right.
Right pulmonary veins. Very good. And what are all of this in generic name of all of these red blood vessels around on the heart itself? Coronary. These are the ones that I was talking about that get clogged up. These are the ones, remember when I told you how they use the great saphenous vein to do heart bypass surgery? These are the ones that get clogged up, and they'll bypass these blood vessels, okay? So coronary arteries. Then if we look more specifically at our coronary circulation, we can see this blood vessel, that's called the anterior interventricular artery. What should we call this one in the back?
Posterior.
The posterior interventricular artery. Okay. Can you see, this is on page 5. Can you see the margin of the heart right here? The margin right along the side? Along the margin of the heart is the marginal artery. On this right side of the heart, right here, is the, let's see, did I hit that right? The right corner, there's a circumflex artery also. On this right side of the heart right here would be the right coronary artery. What was this one coming down? Marginal, and this one right here? Anterior interventricular. And then we have this one going around the circumference of the heart, the circumflex artery. And then we have also these veins that are all coming along together here in the back. Can you see this big structure right here? This would be the coronary sinus. If I open up right here, this heart, I can also see this spot right here. There's a little red dot. That's also coronary sinus. That's where the veins are dumping the blood into, right there. This is the coronary sinus right here, this hole. And this is the coronary sinus, the veins, that dump it into that hole. Okay?
What